Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1996 Honda CRV. It has 41,520 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This CRV is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I did want to let you know, when you go to open the trunk, you do want to push the button right here in the door. Other than that, you won't be able to open it. There is a storage compartment under this mat right here. All right, let's take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, so the number that y'all are seeing up here, 66,821, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 41,520. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. I would like to tell you thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Y'all are awesome. I pray y'all have a safe and blessed day.